After wrestling with my own Pixel 6 issues and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I finally discovered multiple ways to get past these tough problems, and I'm eager to share them all with you right now. The first approach tackles temporary software hiccups. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes to clear out minor glitches that prevent proper operation or recovery access. This is your initial attempt to stabilize the system. Next, we look at clearing out old, broken temporary files that your phone keeps. Think of it like cleaning out a messy drawer. If those old files are corrupted, they can stop your phone from working right, especially when trying to use recovery mode. Getting rid of them forces your phone to create fresh, clean ones. When your phone is truly stuck, like when you need to fix Pixel 6 locked with Anubis and recovery not working error, we can use a deeper method. This involves putting a completely fresh version of the phone's operating system back on. It's like installing a brand new engine in a car that's having major problems, wiping away any bad software or unwanted security breach. Finally, if all else fails, there's a powerful option that resets your phone back to how it was when you first bought it. This erases everything and rebuilds the software from scratch, solving almost any software problem by giving you a completely clean slate.